everyone, Morgan here, and today we're going to be talking about the top 15 best prepping gifts for kids. I had really fun making this list because I had to think about my kids, and then I was thinking about what other kids do. And I will say that this list is pretty tame. Some of the things that we might get our kids, like we recently purchased a .22 Savage rifle for our kids, and maybe that's not the best gift for everyone, but you have to look to you and your kids and you're comfortable and what you do in your life, that kind of thing, and go from there. So not all of these, in saying that, not all of these are going to be perfectly for you and your family, but pick and choose whatever is going to work out for you. Okay, first one's going to be some walkie talkies. What kid doesn't love walkie talkies, right? You go into that room, you go into that one, we're going to talk to each other. It's amazing, the best time ever. Next one's going to be a kids gun safety and survival books. Any type of survival books or kids gun safety books are fantastic. Our kids are so into these books. And I love the survival books that actually tell them, tips and tricks and give them DIY projects and all these things. Next one's gonna be flashlights. Flashlights, glow sticks, anything that glows, really. Our kids love to just turn off all the lights in the house and take a flashlight and walk around and find ghosts and things. And it's a lot of fun, But also, they have headlamps and stuff while camping. So they have their stuff, I think it's really important as an adult, as a parent, anybody, to empower your children to have their own things, it's not, I'm letting you borrow my headlamp. This is your headlamp. You know what I mean? The next one's going to be navigation kits. My kids have really gotten into navigation. Now, of course, sometimes my 3-year-old, she really likes just kind of holding the compass and be like, we're going this way and that way, right? But my older 6-year-old, she is really into trying to read maps and really learn the compass and that kind of thing. It's that validation of, this is my navigation kit. I'm going to get out my navigation kit, to help navigate. So it's nice. Next one's going to be one of those outdoor vests. As you can see here, we had this for Kid Rogue about a year ago, I think, and she really loved it. In fact, now we got another one for Baby Rogue, and they both have a vest now. And I love these little outdoor vests. You can get these at national parks or just online or wherever. I've also seen them at state parks as well. But these little vests are great. They can stuff them with stuff. It's easily accessible. They can easily open. We put little pins of everywhere that we go, from national parks and state parks. We put all the pins on their vests. So next one's gonna be a kid knives. So there's a lot of debate about what type of knife is going to be great for your child, and I'm not going to tell you that, but they do have little practice wooden knives. We got that for our kids, and they really like it. It actually does help. But we let them, cut up strawberries with real knives. We let them use real knives safely. We teach them knife safety. That's also a very important thing. Next one's going to be backpacks. Any backpacks of any kind. Gosh, my kids, they are obsessed with backpacks. Obsessed. They love backpacks. Make them a survival kit. So I like to get my kids involved in making their survival kits, but I think, getting something to get them started, hey, like that navigation kit, maybe that's the start of their survival kit, or that's the start of their bug out bag or something like that. All right, the next one's going to be any type of archery. So bow and arrow. They actually have suction cup ones. They have pretend ones. They have very kid-specific ones. They have the dull tip ones that need specific targets. But anyway, I'll go into that another video, I guess. And then they have, a legit bow for kids. And I think it really depends on you, your family, your lifestyle and your kids' interests and that kind of thing. Next one's going to be a seed growing kit. Now, you could make this yourself. You don't have to buy one. I know Survival Garden Seeds does have a little seed growing kit for kids, which is so cute. Such a great idea. You can make your own little seed growing kit for them and be here, let's grow a flower or whatever, Okay, the next one's going to be a kid's sewing kit or knitting kits or crocheting kits. At bookstores, I've seen these little kits that are hey, this is a kid sewing kit, make a little pillow or something like that. Hey, this is a kid specific knitting or crocheting kit, and it has instructions, and it comes with the yarn, and it comes with the needles and all this stuff. Kids MREs. So I've done a video about this. I think kid MREs are so fun. You can make your own, or you can purchase them. There's very few of them on the market, but you know, the kid MRE is so fun. It's just a great way for them to have like their own food. This is the kid MRE. This is the kid meal ready to eat. You know, this is just for you kind of thing. And again, it's an empowering thing. First aid kits. I don't know about your kids, but my kids love putting Band-Aids on and playing doctor. They are obsessed. And I've taught them all about first aid since they could understand, you know. And so they like to take care of their own wounds as well as everybody else's. Whenever somebody gets a cut, it's just a swarm of everybody. I'll put the Band-Aid on! So a paracord survival kit. I think this is really cool. Working with paracord is a really fun way for kids to, one, you know, really help with that hand dexterity. Two, it gets them to create something that they will actually wear. And three, it you know, you could make it like a little survival kit. You could put something in it if you wanted, you know, like, I don't know, piece of gum or a piece of candy. I don't know. Don't put chocolate in it. That would be a disaster. And the last one's going to be any type of building kits. Like recently I've seen at Home Depot and Lowe's, they have these like little building kits. And we actually got one for Kid Rogue last year. She loved it. And Baby Rogue did really good with it too. We got one for each. I'm remembering now. And we helped her with hers, but they loved seeing their creation. And one was like a little barn, and I think the other one was like a little house for like for their like these little wooden dolls that it came with. So cute and so fun. But yeah, lots of really fun prepping / survival ideas for kids. I thought I would mention some of this stuff. And of course, everything down below that I mentioned is in the description, along with some links to some specific books and specific things that I might recommend for some of this stuff. Thank you all so much for watching. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today. I'll talk to you all later. Bye.